You know, my basket cannot take both, so turbo or not turbo, turbo or not turbo, turbo. Suzuki. My nose is running. My nose is running. Yeah, right there. One moment. There goes another one. Oh! There's this guy. I thought they were dropping by themselves, but there's this guy is bringing this down. 谢谢叔叔. Wow, there comes the big one. 来，给一个。哦。哎，没关系，没关系。哎。Okay, I get this one, and Uncle says I can take one more, so I'll get 2 of these. But where will I put them? Damn, they don't fit in my basket. Alright, let's go back and get some oranges. You know, my basket cannot take both, so I don't know how I'm gonna take them. Maybe I can put them inside just like this. Okay, let me drop them down. Much better here, I think. I can fit one more. Alright, so let's go grab ourselves some oranges. I know, I know. There it is. Okay. 那柚子怎么办呢？这里啊。很好，那不回国了吧？ I have my basket filled with oranges. I have my pockets filled with. I have 2 grapefruit, which I probably put here and ride the scooter. People will be wondering, who the hell is this guy? This is how you get free oranges in Chuzhou City. You can enjoy making. They're a bit sour. I mean, these ones, they're a bit sour, but you can always squeeze the juice out of them and you know, drink the most fresh, tasty, delicious lemonade or orange juice you could ever make. You can ever make. melons out, not big grapefruit out right here, as you can see. Oh man, that's a bag full of oranges. Let's make some fresh, pure, filled with vitamin C, tasty lemonade that we can drink all day long. Very sour, but I know just what to do. There you have it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, man, it tastes so good that I can't describe. It's pure and it's fresh. So my laser engraver engraving these beautiful two birdies on a metal plate. That's two trees, my man. And here is my Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, man. I don't know how much I can be thankful. I'm lucky, really lucky to have this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumb up and stay subscribed to my channel. Hit that little bell icon and let me know if you want to see such kind of vlogs more. Just comment in the video. And don't forget to watch, of course, a complete review of this laser engraver and cutter that you can use at home. And you can even start a small home business for laser engraving and laser cutter. This video is coming soon on my channel. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?